A powerful earthquake may occur in Taiwan on July 7. This is mainly due to a strong numerical alignment with a magnitude 6.6 earthquake that struck Taiwan on April 14, 1906. Both dates, April 14, 1906, and July 7, 2025, are closely aligned, being 4 days apart from major earthquake dates in California. On April 18, 1906, a magnitude 7.9 earthquake destroyed San Francisco, and on July 11, 2025, a possible megaquake may be triggered in the same region. That said, there are exactly 119 years, 2 months, and 22 days between the two dates. A remarkable synchronization of repeating numbers, with 119 representing a sequence of imminent danger. The position of Jupiter in alignment with Neptune during the 1906 earthquake may trigger a very similar, or even stronger, event, since Jupiter's characteristics tend toward expansion. The planet of motion, Mercury, is in strong correspondence with Neptune in conjunction with Saturn in 2025. This represents a powerful sequence involving multiple seismic events. This date is already marked by historical earthquakes. Exactly 11 years ago, a dangerous magnitude 6.9 earthquake struck Mexico and Guatemala in 2014. It occurred 4 kilometers west of Puerto Madero at 5 hours 23 minutes and 54 seconds local time, at a depth of 53 kilometers. The earthquake had a moment magnitude of 6.9 and a maximum Mercalli intensity of 7, classified in seismology as very strong.